Imagine transforming your main street into a vibrant destination. With SelectSpace Partitions, you can create inviting outdoor spaces that are pedestrian-friendly and draw people in. Our innovative partition system is weather-resistant, modular, and easy to install, making them perfect for any municipal setting. SelectSpace provides the flexibility you need to manage your community's spaces effectively. Customization is key. With a range of colors, planters, panel sizes, and configurations, our partitions can be tailored to your specific needs and aesthetic preferences. Whether it's a local festival, a farmer's market, or a special event, SelectSpace Partitions defines spaces. Join the growing number of municipalities transforming their public spaces with SelectSpace Partitions.